This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your phone if you forgot the password or the PIN on your Moto G Stylus. So this is actually really easy to do. What you want to do is hold down the power button and then the volume down button at the same time. So let's hold both these buttons down, and this will turn off our phone and place it into the recovery mode. So just continue to hold this down. If it took a screenshot, that's fine. And your screen should go dark in about 15 seconds. Continue to hold it down, it will vibrate, and then you'll be brought to the screen. Use the volume down key or the up key to go to recovery mode. Then press the power button, select this. Then it's going to kind of like do a small restart. We'll see the Motorola symbol, and then we'll go to a screen where that says no command. Now you have to hold down the power button once again. So let's hold this down and then tap the volume up key. Then we're brought to the Android recovery screen. We want to use the volume down key and then go on over to where it says wipe data factory reset. So let's go to wipe data factory reset right here. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter in the Google account information, email address, and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So this will reset your password, your PIN. So if you forgot that, go to this section. It will erase the data off your phone, but you'll be able to use your phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.